Hey everyone, Mark from The Spark here. Welcome to a news video. Here I was all ready to do an iPad mini video because I've got one coming on Monday and I thought I'd do a bit of a sneak preview about what the new one looks like compared to the old one. But then Amazon dropped a Kindle bomb. They have released not just one new Paperwhite model like we were expecting, but 4 new Kindles. We've got a Kindle colorsoft. So yes, that's right, a new color Kindle. We have got a new Kindle Scribe. Flipping heck, and it feels like 2 minutes since we had the first one. But we've got a new Kindle Scribe. We've got that aforementioned new Kindle Paperwhite, and we've also got what's been in the press quite a lot recently as well. You should know about this, a new basic model Kindle. So I thought I'd just do this little kind of news update, if you like, let you know that these things now exist. Go look on Amazon, go check them out. But I'd also cover maybe just a few of their new features. Let's start off with the Kindle colorsoft. They say color that you can't put down. It's 270 quid. It says it's high contrast color, looks like paper. Now on the screen here, hopefully you can see what I have screen recorded on my iPad. And I've got to be honest, that color looks amazing, and so I really hope that is what it looks like when it comes to seeing the thing in my hand. You can highlight as you've always been able to highlight, but now you can do it in it looks like I think 3 or 4 different colors. Let's see, it says yellow, orange, blue and pink. And clearly it's still got that massive battery life that these things have had for a long time. Wireless charging, so it'll work with any wireless dock that you may have had for your Paperwhite Signature Edition. And yeah, obviously they say there's loads of nice, great, amazing things that you can buy in colour, such as loads of comics and all other kinds of books that will take advantage of that colour. So that is pretty amazing. As usual, it is waterproof, and then you've got access to all your Kindle books. Anything else to kind of pull from this? You can also create a dedicated child profile as well, so that they can read in colour too, it says. Read in the brightest sunlight or late into the night with that auto-adjusting front light and glare-free display, as they've had previously, at least the Kindle Paperwhites have had. And yeah, waterproof, massive selection. Anything else we need to know about this thing? Obviously, look here, they can get some nice new covers for them as well to reflect the colour of the device that you're getting. So yeah, actually I missed that out completely. What colours? What colour do we get? Do we get different colours? No, okay. So you can get nice new covers as well, nice new cases to cover your device in 3 lovely colours there. Some more tech specs here. 7-inch colour display, 300 pixels per inch, black and white, 150 pixels per inch in colour, optimised font technology, whatever that is. 219 grams. I know that's much different from the old one. 32GB, the base model, will hold thousands of books, and obviously you got that cloud storage for Amazon content. Fully charges in approximately 2.5 hours with a 9-watt USB-C power adapter. Dual Wi-Fi connectivity, nothing unusual there. Voice over screen, loads of accessibility features, and it supports various formats as well. I'm not seeing anything else that is kind of shouting out at me. Metallic black, is that new? Do the other ones class as metallic black? I think that's new. Anyway, there we go. So we've got at last a colour Kindle, but like I say, that doesn't stop there. We've also got this amazing looking Kindle Scribe. Again, I think the edges seem a bit rounder. The corners seem a bit rounder on all the new devices. But obviously with this, the big thing, you can now write directly onto books and documents. We'll go into that in a little bit more detail. Let's just look at a bit more of the pictures here. A Kindle and a notebook all in one. We know that. It's great for reading your Kindles. It says here you can write directly onto the book, documents and PDFs. read naturally anytime on a thin, light 10.2 glare-free display. So there we go. Write in books as inspiration strikes, it says here. Start writing directly on the page, and something called Active Canvas will create a space for your notes within the book. That's a clever take on it. Looking at this kind of picture here. Where we go? Where have we gone? Here we go. This thing here. Looks like it creates like a box and squeezes it in, so the book itself will adjust to that book. So I guess then, depending on, doesn't matter what size font you're reading it in, it's going to stay the same size. At least that's how it appears to me. There we go. Redesigned a flush front display with uniform white borders and upgraded premium pen. Feels like writing on paper. You can get it in 2 colours as well. You can get it in jade. Oh, that's quite nice, isn't it? That's nice. Or tungsten grey, which is what we've been used to previously. There we go. All right, wonderful. Anything else? 10.2, like I said, 10.2 inch glare-free, 300 pixels per inch front lit display. Yeah, and the premium pen is included. And again, no need to set up or charge, you just start writing. So I assume that is a Wacom pen. I've got a mistake in that one of my other videos, so we'll have to check that. But there we are. This lady here, is it going to give us an example on this video of them writing in the book? Oh, she's just, yeah, she's underlined it. Okay, there you go. So you can underline things, not just highlight them. Redesigned front, there we go. Look at this. It looks lovely. I do like the look of that pen as well. That does look premium. And it's got the eraser on the other side of it as well, opposite the nib. Active Canvas. So start writing directly on the book, and Active Canvas will automatically create space for your notes. Your notes are tied to the text, so they're always viewed and in context, even if you change font sizes. There we go. And obviously you can organise your notes, do everything you need. They've also, as they always do, they brought out a cover to go with your Kindle as well. It's very much like the old one. I doubt they will fit if they've redesigned the front and how it looks. I don't think your old one will work with the new one. And obviously replacement tips and everything. Anything else to pull out of here? So 16 gig to 64 gig, dual Wi-Fi support. Again, supports all the formats, all the accessibility features you could think of. Comes in the box. You've got the pen, the charging cable, the tips. So it's not wireless, if you're wondering. There we go. So that's the Scribe. So that's exciting as well. And then we got the Kindle Paperwhite, the all-new Amazon Kindle Paperwhite. 16 gig is 160 quid. Oh, how much was the Scribe? £380. £380. Okay. So black. You got jade again, or raspberry cut. This raspberry colour. Will it change it there? There you go. And jade. All right. So what have we got going on here? Let's have a look at the pictures. Looks very similar again to the previous Paperwhite, but those corners do look slightly more rounded, I believe. Okay, so it's got a 25% faster page turn and a higher contrast ratio, and it is 7 inches. I'll put on the screen now what the previous model is. I can't remember whether this is bigger, or I don't know if it's bigger or smaller. I don't recall. There we are. Anyway, thin design, glare-free screen, USB-C charging, lasts for up to 12 weeks. No wireless charging on this one. Obviously, that's now the colour version, which can do that's kind of replaced the paper signature white version, hasn't it? Waterproof and worry-free. So a pretty good thing there. Nice little update to the previous Paperwhite version. All the things you would expect. Okay, and obviously they have released, as well as that, the basic one, but that's been, the news of this has been out and about for a while, but for 95 quid to get yourself onto a Kindle, get yourself into that ecosystem, reading books, really easily. Brilliant. I mean, I'm so excited. I want to buy all of them, but I can't. I'm gonna buy the colorsoft, and I'll probably get a Scribe as well. The Kindle colorsoft comes out in, okay, so you can pre-order it now. It'll be released on the 30th of October, and the Kindle Scribe, I think, comes out in December the 4th. So you can get it, pre-order it now, come out December the 4th. And are the other ones of a similar? No, okay, so the all new Kindle Paperwhite is available now. And I reckon this basic model will also be available now. Yes, it is. Okay, so I'll probably be getting the colorsoft and the Scribe, which means, ladies and gentlemen, as my faithful audience, I really would love you to watch the whole of this video, watch all of the ads, help me generate that income so I can afford to purchase these things, review them for you before you make the purchase, and see whether it's something you want to invest your hard-earned cash into. So if you haven't tapped that subscribe button, I would really appreciate it, and also tap that thumbs up button as well, because it will tell YouTube, hey, this is a good video, or this is an interesting video, and go show it to more people see it, the more money the channel will make, and the more it will help little old me pay for these things here. Or become a channel member. You could do that. You could become a channel member as well. I think a little is £3 a month. And you'll help me out, and you can also support me by buying me a virtual coffee too. All right, okay, I hope this video was helpful. Please leave all your ideas and your comments in the comments section. Are you going to be pre-ordering one anyway? You're not going to be waiting for my video. You're going to go ahead and do it anyway. Let me know your thoughts. Are you happy with the changes? Could they have done more? Yeah, I just love to hear from you. Let's engage and have a good old chinwag. I've obviously made loads of videos about the Kindles. Go watch. I've got to unfollow. I've made loads of videos about the Kindles, so go watch this playlist here and catch yourself up on the previous models as you maybe prepare to get the new ones. Okay, I'll see you in the next vid.